Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I am gonna show you how to reactivate a deleted Facebook account in 2024. So in order to be able to reactivate a deleted Facebook account, it must be within 30 days of requesting permanent deletion of the account. If you only deactivated and did not permanently delete the account, you will also be able to reactivate your account in the same manner. So what you guys have to do is you guys have to just simply open up Facebook app. So after coming to Facebook app, you guys have to simply put the email and password of that deactivated account. So right now I don't have any deactivated account, but I'm gonna tell you the options. So you guys have to just simply put your email and password. So you guys have to just simply tap on login. So after tapping on login, Facebook will ask you for reactivating your deleted account or deactivated account. So you guys have to just simply tap on continue, and in this way your account will be reactivated again. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.